Right, here she is. 30 horsepower Yamaha, Aquapro, inflatable rib, aluminium rib, solid as, goes really, really well. I usually fish in it with one or two of my kids. I've had 3 adults in it, and it gets up in planes no problem. It actually really flies along with the 30 horsepower 2-stroke. So really good little boat, super safe, never felt unsafe in it. And it, yeah, really comfortable going. A couple of things, there has been a couple of repairs at some stage on the engine, on the cowling, sorry. That's all, it's a superficial. Other than that, engine's amazing. It had a service about a year ago, and the mechanic checked the compression and said it was really good. Right, let's do an engine start. Put a couple of rod holders in it, 1, 2, so that's good when you're going fishing. Got a little harness for your fuel tank up here, or you can slide it to the back. I like it up the front because it puts the weight up the front. Bit of paint missing here and there, as you'd expect. Bit of paint off here. Other than that, she's awesome boat. It's the same as when I've got it. There was paint missing when I got it. There's some cracks in this fiberglass thing when I got it. The lights have never worked. It came off a launch, so she was used to get craned on off the front of a launch. This cleat is really handy. I tie the anchor off it. I've just replaced the winch with a brand new Trojan winch, new rope, whipped. What else? Heaps of handles. The handles are great. Handles all over it. So loads of grab points, good for launching, good for driving, riding, passengers, etc. It's got 3 chambers, 1, 2, 3. And the tubes are Hyperlon, I believe. So they're the good material. Yeah, she's a bit of a cracker. It's obviously in used condition, but it will be a great boat for somebody. This comes off. Good little seat in the front where your passenger can sit. It's a nice little dry storage. At the moment it's got a little anchor, fold up paddle and a pump. But yeah, good little dry storage area up there, which is always handy. That just velcros back on. Boom. Yep. There she is. Cover on. It's all nice and tight.